Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stream your favorite movies and shows from your phone or laptop to your TV, Chromecast makes it quick and wireless, turning your TV into a smart streaming screen. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to use Chromecast on Prime Video in 2026 fast and easy. Okay, so first thing, set up Chromecast, like connect Chromecast, plug your Chromecast into your TV, power it via USB or adapter, your TV becomes cast ready. Okay, so connect to Wi-Fi, like set up Chromecast using Google Home if not already. Okay, connect it to your Wi-Fi, must be the same network as your phone. Okay, so cast from Prime Video, like open Prime Video, launch the Prime Video app, log into your accounts. Okay, to be ready to stream, tap the cast icon. Okay, tap the cast icon in the app. Okay, here is it. Available devices will appear. Okay, so select Chromecast, choose your Chromecast device, your phone connects to the TV, play your content. Okay, select a movie or episode, tap play. Okay, the video will stream on your TV automatically. Okay, so control playback, like pause, play, rewind from your phone, adjust volume and subtitles. Your phone becomes a remote. Okay, so stop casting, like disconnect, like tap the cast icon again. Okay, and select disconnect. Okay, so casting stops instantly. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video on how to use Chromecast on Prime Video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.